Lately, I've been browsing on Lenovo website quite a bit to find the latest tech updates and features, and just in general to see what's out there. And there's one thing that would always appear on my screen, which is Lenovo ThinkShield. So, and I started digging, trying to figure out what it is, and it wasn't as simple as I hoped it would be. So let me share my findings. Hi, it's Anna from Skycom Solutions, and today we're going to talk about Lenovo ThinkShield. So if you think about Lenovo ThinkShield as just a singular antivirus system or something like that, you are not quite right here. It's actually a portfolio of different hardware, software, cloud solutions that helps you to protect your device on multiple levels. So one of the cool things is a transparent supply chain. ThinkShield includes a process for verifying and tracking components at the manufacturing level, ensuring that by the time the device actually gets to your door, it has not been modified or compromised. It just helps protect against lampering and firmware level threats before the device is even powered on. So what does the ThinkShield actually do? It's a layered security approach that addresses different risks and problems at multiple levels, not just at the operating system, but below and beyond it. One of the coolest things are self-healing BIOS, fingerprint reader, and facial recognition, so only you can actually log into your device. There's a firmware protection, there is optional tools like Privacy Guard and Privacy Alert that protect somebody else from over-shoulder peeking or connecting and checking out what you're doing on your monitor. There's a webcam privacy shutter. Of course, I cannot go without that. Am I the only one paranoid about my webcam on the laptop? Do you always keep it off? Let me know so I feel better. Another one is Lenovo Wi-Fi security and smart USB and physical port controls for better access management. So only trusted USB devices and hard drives, USB drives can be plugged in and read by your computer. Each element plays a key role in constantly evolving world of cybersecurity threats. Does it include AI? Of course it does. Oh my gosh, in 2025 AI is such a buzzword everywhere. But AI helps to recognize different behavioral patterns and detect on the early stages if there is something wrong happening to your device. There is something that should not be on it. So real-time analysis, behavioral anomaly detection, instant rollback of malicious changes, all of that enhances threat detection speed, minimizes false positives, and allows for faster responsive times. So who should use it? ThinkShield has been built keeping a variety of different users in mind. Some of those are organizations that manage different devices across different teams and locations. Of course, remote or hybrid workers who move between trusted and not quite secure networks. IT teams like Skycom Solutions that need centralized control, remote management, and integration with existing security platforms. ThinkShield supports device management, policy enforcement, and integration with platforms like Absolute, Buffer Zone, and SentinelOne. Yeah, okay, all of that sounds great, but is it actually effective? According to recent studies, the ThinkShield XDR shows high detection accuracy and operational efficiency, and it achieved that 100% detection and real-time protection, minimal configuration requirements, and significant reduction in alert noise compared to the industry peers. So to sum everything up, now we know that ThinkShield, that's a portfolio of different cybersecurity solutions, including hardware, software, real-time monitoring, cloud solutions that help you to protect your device from constantly evolving cyber threat. Whether you're an IT professional evaluating endpoint protections or someone simply curious about how modern devices protect themselves, ThinkShield offers a useful case study in integrated layered defense strategies. If you find this video useful, hit this like and subscribe button. It was Anna from Skycom Solutions. See you in the next video. Bye!